Siemens Ford Payne is a 200,000 square foot manufacturing facility. We're located in Northeast Alabama, and we are the Americas region center for electrical components for Siemens Energy.
We make parts for large generators, the kind that make the lights come on when you flip the switch at home.
We make mainly stator coils, rotor coils, glass insulation components.
We mainly have two different types of business. We have the new apparatus business, which we manufacture parts and components for new generators that are manufactured and assembled in our facility in Charlotte, North Carolina. And we also have a huge portion of our service business here in Fort Payne, where we manufacture components for service that go directly to the field.
Siemens Energy components from this facility, they're shipped all over the world. We basically are divided into 5 COCs. The first COC is rotor coils. They're going to take straight copper, they're going to mill vent slots in it. They'll then form it so it's ready to go in the rotor and then ship it on to the Charlotte to be wound into a rotor. Our second COC is insulation components. They're making insulation components for large rotors and stators, and there you'll see a lot of milling machines, you'll see a lot of specialized cutting machines that looks very simple, but each of those parts is specifically designed for a purpose. Next, in the parallel ring area, this is where you'll take copper and insulation parts that are custom designed to go around the end of the generator. In this area, you'll see a lot of customized bending of copper and a lot of customized work, as most parallel ring systems on generators are customly designed to the application. Our other two areas are stator coils, which are divided into hard and soft coils. We start with just a raw piece of copper, and we pull that into form a stator coil. This machine, as an example that's behind me, is used for forming stator coils. What they do is they take a straight stator coil and they'll actually make all the bends and actually assume the shape of the coil in the generator. It's extremely precise and extremely complex process. And this is one of only 3 machines in the world, and it's the only machine that's in North America. The last thing is the VPI process. That's where we impregnate the coils with resin and harden the insulation system that's on them.
But we're making a very highly engineered product. It takes a lot of skill, a lot of attention to detail, a lot of quality mindset to make it right.
I think when you have satisfied customers, you have repeat customers.
We really are a knowledgeable, caring, hard-working group of people.
We work among each other to try to help each other and keep the value of the product.
Since 2009, Siemens has invested over $12 million US in this facility to really bring us up from a plastic manufacturing facility to a state-of-the-art component manufacturing plant.
We've got a lot of new high-tech equipment in that has really upped their output.
Well, this technology helps me do my job better because it cuts down on some of the time.
It's actually a big commitment from Siemens, I think, to invest in this facility. We have proven here in Fort Payne that with the automation equipment we bought, we are actually very cost competitive here in the US, in Alabama, with a very highly skilled workforce.
We'll continue to see more automation, more innovation, more new equipment. Try to stay as technologically advanced as we possibly can because we know that helps put us in a very favorable cost position.